Tired of feeling like your money is constantly slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to track expenses and save for the future. Two of the most popular budgeting tools out there are YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Quicken. But which one reigns supreme? Let's dive in. YNAB takes a unique approach to budgeting. It's all about giving every dollar a job. You don't just track where your money went, you decide where it's going before you spend it. This zero-based budgeting method forces you to be intentional with your finances. Here's the YNAB breakdown. Pros. Focus on behavior change. YNAB isn't just about software, it's about changing your spending habits. Community and support. The YNAB community is incredibly active and supportive, offering valuable resources and encouragement. Mobile app. The YNAB app is user-friendly and keeps you on track, no matter where you are. Flexibility. YNAB can adapt to various income streams and spending patterns. Cons. Steeper learning curve. YNAB's unique approach requires a bit of a learning curve. Cost. YNAB comes with a subscription fee, which might be a barrier for some. Limited investment tracking. While YNAB offers some investment tracking, it's not as robust as Quicken's. Quicken, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive financial software. It offers a wider range of features, including robust budgeting tools. Quicken provides various budgeting methods, including traditional budgeting and cash flow forecasting. Comprehensive financial tracking. It goes beyond basic budgeting, allowing you to track investments, manage bills, and even file taxes. Advanced features. Quicken offers advanced features like debt management tools, retirement planning, and even credit monitoring. Here's the Quicken breakdown. Pros. All-in-one solution. Quicken acts as a central hub for all your financial needs. Powerful features. It offers a wide range of advanced features that cater to various financial needs. Strong investment tracking. Quicken excels in investment tracking, providing detailed portfolio analysis. Cons. Can be overwhelming. With so many features, Quicken can feel overwhelming for beginners. Cost. Quicken also comes with a subscription fee, and some features require premium plans. Steeper learning curve. Similar to YNAB, Quicken has a bit of a learning curve. So, which one is better? It depends entirely on your individual needs and preferences. Choose YNAB if you're looking to fundamentally change your spending habits. You prefer a simpler, more focused budgeting approach. You value community support and a strong emphasis on behavioral change. Choose Quicken if you need a comprehensive financial software that handles all aspects of your finances. You require advanced features like investment tracking and tax preparation. You're comfortable with a more complex and feature-rich platform. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both platforms. Many offer free trials or limited free versions. Experiment with each and see which one aligns better with your budgeting style and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.